Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So I'm coming to you all with my wash day routine. So I have xoxo here and my hair is very dry right now. It's very brittle. It's in need of some moisture. So I'm going to get started by making sure my hair is completely saturated with water from my scalp to my ends. So I'm glad that I can show you guys the steps and method that I use to maintain my kinky, coily type curls that I have. So I'm going to show you all the shampoo that I use. I use my African Roots Protein shampoo. Now I love this shampoo because it does not strip my hair of any natural oils. I really love my African Roots Protein shampoo, you guys. Since I've been using this shampoo, it does the job for me. It cleans like no other shampoo. I've tried others, but so far this is the one that I've been loving. I love how it has my natural hair. It doesn't strip it of its oils, which is very important. Also, it cleans and cleanses when I use the shampoo. I love to give my hair a good scrubbing because I think it's really important that when you do your wash days that your hair and scalp is also thoroughly cleansed. So I'm going to give my scalp a good scrubbing, make sure that it's nice and clean because I love the feel of a clean scalp. Don't you guys love when you do your wash days, how your scalp feels clean and totally cleansed? I love that feeling. Time to condition, and for this step I'm going to be using my African Roots Protein conditioner as well. And what I really love about this conditioner is that it keeps my hair really moisturized during this process. Also, it acts as a detangler, so I'm like getting two products in one. And I'm going to start by combing my hair out, making sure that the conditioner is properly saturated from my scalp to my ends. And for this, my hair is going to be in 4 sections. So to properly condition each section of my hair, I'm going to be rinsing my hair out, making sure that the product is properly rinsed from my scalp. My hair is really feeling soft at this point, so that's a plus for me in my wash day routine. So to deep condition my hair even further, I'm going to be using my Texture My Way. It's a deep conditioning steam. Also, you can use it as a deep condition. It's also made of shea butter and olive oil, and I'm going to give my hair a little steam, make sure that the product is saturated through my curls. Look at that, you guys, my curls is showing and popping. I love how it looks. And I'm going to just section my hair into the same 4 section that I did earlier. I'm going to saturate the product from my scalp to the ends of my hair. I'm going to make sure that each section is properly coated with my deep conditioner. So each section of my hair is properly covered, properly saturated with the deep conditioner. And look at that, you guys, my curls are just popping. It's juicy. Now I've seen significant hair growth since I've been doing this wash day routine, and it's really been working for me. For deeper moisture, I'm gonna follow up with my shower cap. I'm gonna leave that on my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes. You all can leave it on longer if you all have the time, but I'm gonna leave that on for like 45 minutes. So for step 4, I'm finally going to be trying the rice water, you guys. Yes, I decided I'm going to finally try it out. I'm going to give you guys an update on how the rice water worked for me, if it has done anything for my hair growth. So I'm going to be trying it out for the first time. I'm going to give you guys an update on how it worked, and to make sure that the rice water is perfectly saturated into my hair and scalp, I'm going to be using the rice water on each section of my hair to make sure that each side or each part of my hair is properly saturated with the rice water. After I've covered my hair with the rice water solution, I'm gonna be putting my hair under a shower cap. I'm gonna leave it on for like 20 minutes, and I'm gonna rinse my hair out thoroughly because the rice water has a little scent. You all can add any little oils, essential oils that you all have to your rice water if you don't like the smell of it. And we're all done with the wash day part of the routine. I'm going to squeeze my hair out properly from excess water, and I'm going to be using my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Cream. I love the Shea Moisture brand. You know, it really works nice for my hair. And after I do any type of wash day routine, I'm going to follow up with essential oil. Now the oil I'm going to be using is my aloe vera and coconut oil. I made this oil homemade, and since I've been using this oil, it does wonders for my hair. My hair has grown significantly, and I'm not going to be doing a style, but I'm just going to be doing each section with my curl enhancing cream, also my oil, and I'm going to give my hair a nice braid. Make sure that the ends is properly saturated with each product. And yeah guys, that's my wash day routine. That's my healthy wash day routine. If you guys want to see my wash and go routine, hit me up in the comments, let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in another one of my videos. Bye.